Today we are going to discuss about hypogammaglobulinemia. Simple gamma globulin level is decreased in the blood, that is called a hypogammaglobulinemia. There is one more condition that is called a bubble boy in relation to this decreased gamma globulin that also we will discuss. First, in which condition this gamma globulin level is decreased, that we will look. So a primary failure in production of gamma globulin by plasma cell may occur as a congenital X-linked disorder that is also called a Bruton's disease. So simple gamma globulin is not produced by this plasma cell, and that is leading to the decreased gamma globulin level. Decreased production may also be secondary to the disease like multiple myeloma or leukemia, where also gamma globulin production is decreased. Subacute combined immunodeficiency, that is SCID short form. EF word that is combined means both humoral and cell mediated immunity are affected, and that may be inherited. ADA, that is adenosine deaminase enzyme, that deficiency that can also lead to the SCID. ADA, that is one of the important enzyme present in this uric acid formation, which is converting adenosine to the inosine, but deficiency that can lead to the severe combined immunodeficiency. Now in relation to this, first one important case that we will discuss, one of the case kept in sterile environment, that case of the SCID till the age of 12, and that case is called a bubble boy. So in that bubble boy, particular bone marrow replacement is done, but even after that the person is not able to survive due to Burkitt's lymphoma. Simple condition is that gamma globulin is not produced properly, and it may be due to that Burkitt lymphoma person is not able to survive. But opposite to that, in 1990 a girl suffering from this ADA deficiency, a type of this SCID, that is subacute combined immunodeficiency, successfully treated by gene transfer for ADA enzyme in chromosome 13 and 20 into the lymphocyte by retrovirus. So that is one of the success story of the gene therapy, and that give the hope for the treatment in future generation. And that opposite two type of case that you have to remember in relation to the hypogammaglobulinemia, that is one that is bubble boy, and one success story of the gene therapy. So that's all about the important thing of the hypogammaglobulinemia.